Welcome to our mini washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular portable washing machines, the Fadsk portable washing machine and the Elevon portable washing machine. Both are designed for compact living spaces, but they have different features and price points. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with capacity. The Fadsk portable washing machine has a washing capacity of 15 liters, making it suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Elevon portable washing machine offers a larger capacity of 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, allowing you to wash more clothes at once. This makes the Elevon a better option for larger households or those who need to do laundry less frequently. Next, let's discuss design. The Fadsk Aji is a compact and foldable mini washer, making it easy to store when not in use. In contrast, the Elevon features a twin-tub design with separate compartments for washing and spinning, which enhances efficiency but requires more space. If you have limited room, the Fadsk might be the better choice. Finally, let's look at the features. The Fadsk KGJ offers 3 cleaning modes and a removable spin-dry basket, which is great for small loads. However, the Elevon comes equipped with a drain pump and separate timers for washing and spinning, providing more control over the laundry process. If you want advanced features, the Elevon is the way to go. In conclusion, both the Fadsk KJ and Elevon portable washing machines have their strengths. The Fadsk KJ is perfect for those looking for a compact and affordable option, while the Elevon is ideal for users needing a larger capacity and advanced features. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.